Yes!
I am Daniel Washington, and these are my teammates.
I'm C.P. Dean.
I'm Brian Becker.
And I'm Brian Cole. Sadly, Miles Weddle cannot join us.
The question that we chose for our robotics challenge is, who is your favorite Lunar X Prize team and why? We chose the Lunar X Prize team, JURBAN. JURBAN is an acronym that means Jukestopia Urban Robotics Brilliant Application National Challenge. The Jukestopia sponsored the first African-American undergraduate DARPA team. We chose JURBAN because we admire their robotics designs and accomplishments. For example, Dr. Dachis T. Doswell, leader of JURBAN Jukestopia Group, holds degrees in cognitive neurophysiology and computer science technology. Another JURBAN team member is the New York native
Mr. Ojai Mallory, who has successfully designed and built semi-autonomous and autonomous robotic systems. In addition, we admire Blaze Sanders, our Gaudice team's mentor, who has received his Bachelor's of Science in Electrical and Computer Engineering from Johns Hopkins University.
Mr. Sanders is a JURBAN team member. He designed and made a prototype, a robotic worm at NASA Marshall Space Flight Center. We named our team Gaudice in honor of L. Cross on October 9, 2009. The L. Cross mission spacecraft verified the existence of water on the moon in a crater named Cabeus by the south pole of the moon. L. Cross crashed into a crater named Cabeus. Cabeus is a crater 60 miles wide and 2 miles deep. It contained water because the bottom of Cabeus is frigid negative 365 degrees Fahrenheit, cold enough to trap water.
The crash car carved out a hole 60 to 100 feet wide. When the material which was displaced from the crash was analyzed, it was discovered the water was present. The scientists detected the water by seeing the colors of ultraviolet light associated with the water. Water is an important resource on the moon. If water exists on the moon, it may be possible for humans to exist on the moon. The finding of water on the moon may greatly enhance future space exploration. If the moon could be used as a base to explore further into space, we can learn a great deal more about the places in space we can't currently reach.
The Gaudice team would like to contribute the knowledge of water on the moon by building a robot and by further exploring water in the giant crater Canvin and the smaller crater Chanda. We are honored to collaborate with the team at JURBAN. They are building a robot to explore the moon. They will use magnetic fields, solar energy, and biofuels to make discoveries during their mission. We have common goals of developing an outreach program that helps the economically disadvantaged to further research the water on the moon.
The JURBAN Lunar X compilation says many different things on the moon. Your lunar robo prototype, man.